Welcome back. Roll cage time. Jimbo's down here, hiding though. Won't show him on video. He's dressed too smart. Yep, roll cage time. Already started working on a bit. So just getting some floor plates in, just roughly where I'm thinking of doing things. Trimming the main hoop down, because obviously this floor's a lot higher than the mini floor. And yeah, just trying to go step by step, trying to use some cable ties, cable wire, to try and hold it roughly in position just so it stops falling on my head. So yeah, just getting some floor plates put in, trying to get them in the right place. We get a couple of tacks on them just to sort of stop them moving around, and we can go from there. We'll see. At the moment it looks like I can get to all the welding without moving or dropping the roll cage. Sometimes they're so tight to the, it does help having no roof, but sometimes roll cages are so tight to the actual body. What I did on the old Escort was you can cut holes in the floor under the plates. So you slide the plates out of the way, cut a hole, you tackle, then you put the plate back and just rest it there. You tack weld all the cage together, or weld as much as you can together. You then slide the plates back out, drop the roll cage down through the holes so that sort of like falls through the floor. You can then weld all the top parts that you can't get to because the roof's in the way, lift it back up, and then slide the plates back under, then weld all the plates up. So that's one option, but we'll see if we needed that in a bit once we get a few things done. Worst case, I can always expect I can cut a hole from underneath anyway and do it secondary. Anyway, let's crack on. Okay, we got the basics in. Huh? I'm talking, Jimbo, on YouTube. Stay out of it, you're not famous enough yet. So yeah, Nathan's rushing over now to do the welding because he doesn't want me doing the welding, even though I've got good gas. Look at those tacks, they're lovely tacks. Yeah, so I think we'll get this main frame welded in first. I'm not too sure about doing a door bar this side or not, but we'll see, because obviously the seats, but I can always cut them back out, can't I, anyway? And yeah, so we've got a roof diagonal to go in, we've got rear diagonals, harness bar, got a dash bar that's just fallen down. Lots to do, and needed Nathan to carry on with the welding because it's hot. Beautiful. Okay, Nathan's gone out. There you go. There you go. One of Nathan's welds. I'd show you mine as well. They look very similar. But yeah, so we've got the crossbars in. We've got some strengthening plates there either side, just to tie it into the front there. Really makes that front solid now. We've got a dash bar welded in. We've got the door bar welded in that side. We've welded all the way to the floor plates. We just haven't done the floor plates yet to actual body. And then we just got all the rear diagonals next to do, and the harness bars, things like that. But yeah, we're getting there. That's strengthening it all up a bit. Yeah, I'll show you the weld difference. You've already seen the weld difference with the white gas. So I'll do a lecture on that at some point, just to show you guys that, yeah, don't listen to me and use the white gas. So yeah, let's get in there, innit? So strengthen all that up. And then we really need to finish off the boot area, get the rear diff in, get the fuel tank back in. We really need to get this thing running in the next week or so to prove everything's going alright. We can work on all the wiring and everything. But yeah, looking good. I'm hoping that the roof's going to fit. If it don't, it will fit anyway. I've nicked out a little bit here just to get to the weld so we could weld it all up. You know, this is only not adding too much strength. It's only there for to allow me to belt the or to glue the roof to. Alright, that's it for today. Let's go have a beer. Alright, it's actually another day, but same video. Got one of the rear supports down to the struts in. Because this rear hoop's so far back, it's not very no, yeah, it's not like that much of an angle. It's like that, but that's what it is. It'll do. We've got to do the other side now, and I just started off doing a bit around around the tunnel. It's so hot for welding. But yeah, have a bit of a look around. There you go, there's the screen bar goes around. We'll just scotch this off, put a bit of extra primer on it, and then, I don't know, hopefully we'll just smack it green when we come to do it. Yeah. Bloody beetle doors turn up. I spent years dumping stuff down my mate's house, and now he's getting his own back, leaving all his beetle crap here. Anyway, friends, eh? I think I got the clutch working. I bought one of those springs, added that on. Seems to have bled now. I took the master cylinder off and tried to bleed it a bit higher. I've got some sort of pedal there now, so we're just going to have to see once the engine starts up and see if we can go into gears. If we don't go into gears, we're in more of a trouble, aren't we? Anyway, not too sure how long the video is for a Monday, but anyway, we've got the roll cage in. I think we might have just passed 6,000 subscribers, hopefully, by the time you've read this. So again, welcome to all the new subscribers. I profess, and you can tell that I am no professional, so don't take my videos as professional guidance. It is just a diary of what I'm doing. I know still people will still copy me, but if you do copy me, let me know how it goes. Yeah, it's hot for welding. Okay, I've just finished up for the day. I've got hold of a plug for the wiring which I'd lost. Well, I got rid of when I was a bit over exuberant getting rid of the donor vehicle. Even I didn't even follow my own lessons about when you got a donor vehicle, don't throw anything away until you finish the project. I didn't, but luckily the guy that I bought all the engine bits from cut the plug off and sent me down for that, so that's good. I've got the fuel pump plug. That's all the only one I need to worry about. I don't need to worry about anything else, I don't think, for the moment. So yeah, I've just run a fuel pipe in which got cut as well. Just tidied a few bits up there. And then also I've just bolted the rear diff back to its sort of hanger rail. It's actually technically upside down at the moment, so don't panic too much. And then basically, yeah, it mounts at the front on these two mounts. Then it bolts through the rear subframe point, which I've noticed is it's got some studs on there, but they've obviously undone. I'm hoping that we can get that in without mucking about with the rear subframe. Otherwise we'll have to undo this again and pop the diff in. So you pop that in first and then pop the diff in, but we'll have to just see how it all goes together. Yeah, alrighty, so that's it for today. Next time I think I might just get these bolted in out of the way. We've done pretty much all the welding around the area where we need to be safe, and get them out of the way, get them on the, get all the drive shafts in, things like that. Let's start getting some things off the floor and bolted to the car. So anyway, lovely weather. We're going to go have a barbecue. Salmon, I think. But got to do it.